What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Small Feet Big Heat. Today is a long awaited unboxing. I've surely been waiting. You guys have been waiting. You've been showing mad love to the CPFM videos that I've been doing recently. And finally, the box is secured. It is here. I picked it up from UPS today. But before we open up this box, make sure you guys smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Show a small YouTuber some love. It really does help push the videos out there so more people can see them and see what I'm doing over here on this channel. Once again, thank you guys for the love that you've been showing on the CPFM videos. And here they are, the CPFM Blazer Mid. But before I cut this open, I just want you guys to know how small this box is. Here, just for size comparison, I have a Jordan 1 box over here. I'll show you guys just how small this box is. I don't know if I'm doing it much justice, but just look, like the Air Jordan 1 box is taller than this box. It's also a lot wider than this box. This box is very, very small, you guys, but I mean, I'm not too surprised since I do wear a grade school size 6. So all that extra box is really not necessary. Let's start cutting this bad boy open. Always cut away from yourself. Don't do what I did just now. Alright, so here it is. I finally got it open. Yeah, this box is tiny, you guys. That's crazy. A little bit of slide action for you guys. And there you go. Hopefully the light is not blasting it too much. Nike by You. And it does have the custom size label, Nike by Taylor. That is my first name, and it's a size 6. And there goes that bad boy, a little preview of my Cactus plant flea market and Nike by You mid blazer. Wow. Alright, so let me take this all the way out and then we could peel back the tissue paper together. Here it is. You guys ready? I'm not ready. Like, I've been waiting on these for a month now and I'm not ready. Alright, so there it goes. That's crazy. Just to think that like I made these or I had like an input on these is crazy. I've never made a Nike ID shoe before. I think maybe I made a pair of Air Force Ones like way back, or one of them like common Nike shoes on Nike ID, but something like this I've never done before. So this is a wild experience. Look at that. That is like the textures on this. Wow. So this is the right shoe, you guys. You can see that exposed foam. Very nice details on this. Very nice. Okay, so here it goes. That lava check, the blue ice, and the chewing gum laces. These came together a lot better than I thought. I was second guessing it. Like, damn, did I go a little bit too crazy with the colors? But I don't think I went too crazy at all. I like the way that these came out. This is the left shoe here. I have owned a blazer before, but never a blazer mid. So there's a better look at the shoes for you guys, and of course I will be doing my full review and on foot for these, but I just had to like get my first impressions out of the way. These came out sick. And after waiting for them for so long, like, wow. People who slept on these are definitely gonna regret it, and I know they're starting to already since prices have already started to rise on these. The resale is going crazy. Let me know in the comments down below if you cop these. Did you get your pair already? How do you feel about them? Do you like them? Do you wish you would have went with something different? I want to hear your thoughts. And also, do you think that the people who slept on this shoe are regretting it right now? Because I definitely do. And of course, I will see you guys in the next video.